Your laptop battery is stuck at 80% or 50% and does not increase. When you unplug the charger, it suddenly drops to 0% and shuts down. This is a common problem, and today I will show real fixes that work. Hello everyone, you are watching Tech Vibes. Let us fix the laptop battery percentage stuck issue step by step. First solution, restart the battery driver properly. Click on Start menu and open Device Manager. Expand Batteries. Right-click on Microsoft ACPI Compliant Control Method Battery. Click Uninstall Device. Shut down the laptop completely, unplug the charger, and wait for 30 seconds. Plug in the charger and turn on the laptop. Windows will reinstall the battery driver automatically. Second solution, perform battery calibration. Charge the laptop to 100% and keep it plugged in for 30 more minutes. Unplug the charger and use the laptop until it reaches 5%. Let it shut down automatically. Keep the laptop powered off for 1 hour. Charge it back to 100% without interruption. Third solution, disable battery limit from BIOS or manufacturer software. Restart the laptop and enter BIOS using F2, delete, or F10 key. Look for battery health, battery limit, or conservation mode. Disable it and save settings. Also check software like Lenovo Vantage, Dell Power Manager, HP Support Assistant, or Asus My Asus. Fourth solution, update BIOS and chipset driver. Visit your laptop brand official website, enter your model number, download and install the latest BIOS and chipset driver. Fifth solution, check battery health. Open Command Prompt as administrator, type Power CFG, battery report, and press enter. Open the generated report file. Compare design capacity and full charge capacity. If full charge capacity is very low, the battery is damaged. Final advice, always use the original charger, avoid overheating. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes.